Hey everyone, welcome back to growing $200 to $400. The market just opened, I think, 2 minutes ago. We've got our levels, right? This inflection point for our internal range liquidity that we're rejecting off currently. Right. This is that news candle, two-day news candle. So we've come back into the zone and you can see that NAS is pushing very far down, whereas S&P 500 isn't. So this could be a stop hunt for NAS before going long. Okay. But let's see what happens. Alright, it's our London high, London low. If price comes through here, we could be targeting that London low. If not, could look for that all-time high, right? Potentially. Look in 1 minute. Nothing yet. I got food in the oven, so I'll be back in a sec. I don't see any kind of trade yet. Right, I mean, you have formed this SMT at this low. So you could look to buy here. But there's no inverted fair value gap yet or anything. So I'm not buying just yet. See, it's consolidating. Right, this breakthrough looks like it could be a continuation. But let's see. I think it's gonna sell off here. Here's the idea, right? For a sell opportunity, I'm gonna wait for price to come back to this area and then sell off of here. I don't feel comfortable trading this continuation. We do have an inside bar here. Absolutely nothing yet. No, it does look like it wants to continue down. But honestly, I don't trade continuations. I mean, if I had to take this, it would be something like this, targeting that London low. I'm just not comfortable with it. But it's not part of my trading plan. position with these levels. So it looks like it does want to continue down. So it looks like today's a sell day. Right. For this break, so this is a unicorn setup in the 15 minutes. If the price manages to come up here, we could look to sell off to that London low, but otherwise, no trades for me today. Could take a PM trade where we could wait for price to come down here and then reject back up. Just how we're respecting that. Does look like it's gonna go lower though. I could take a short position here to this London low, right? But it's not part of my trading plan, so I won't do it. I'm getting a very low risk sell here. Literally super low. Right. Just with very tight stops targeting this. I think I'm risking like something like $3 here. The price is still showing it wants to go down after rejecting with this fair value gap creating this engulfing candle. Don't like that, don't like that. Can see our price is wicking off here. It wants to come down. People are trying to push it up, but it wants to come down. Can still see the selling volume right here. Alright, love to see that engulfing candle. See it come to this London low. Right, oh, it's all the way here. Don't like that. Really is just consolidating. I love to see it, love to see it. What are we at? It's nearly, no, 1 to 2. I'd like to see it take this London low out. I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Just because this could be a stop hunt, right? This move could be a stop hunt before continuing higher. So I'm just moving my stops to break even, just to be sure. If this is to carry on down, it should just, I want to just see it melt further. Right, just like we're seeing ES doing. Of course ES is melting and then flipping NQ's not. Like, that's just how it works. You know, ES, S&P, right? These are not. So futures, okay. I like this movement from S&P. I don't like that candle though. Spinning top. Right, we're retesting this. If price runs through this, right, and closes, then it's likely gonna carry on up. All right. I want to see it. Let's see it drop further. Right, looks like we might hit our break even here. We closed through that fair value gap, which kind of shows that price is gonna go up now. So I said liquidity grab before going up high, but it's, you know, it's fine because we don't make anything, don't lose anything. It's just a dud day. No, it's fine. Yeah, this is a very good, very strong sell indication. Yep. And we just hit our break even. Right, $0.18 for the day. Yay, yay, yay. That's unfortunate. Right, we're up a good amount. I thought we could get to that London low. But yeah, anyways. Okay, so now we've created this SMT. Oh, sorry, change state of delivery. We've inverted our fair value gap here. Right. We're not at any significant level on NAS. It's not a unicorn model. Same for ES. Also unicorn. Good to see Nez continue up now. But I don't like that trade. Right. I'd much rather take something like that. Right, target this. I'm much more happy with that. Retested that London high, created this, changes to delivery. Price comes down here, I'll be happy to buy. I just don't like how big my stop loss would have to be here. Right, this is... yeah, I don't like that risk to reward. Yeah, this is also SMT. Maybe can we break above that? It's looking like a very nice buy opportunity, but let's just wait for price to come back to this inverted fair value gap, right? But I'm thinking we just buy off of that. Right, and here Naz comes. Right. $28, 0.3. Right. Okay, let me take a buy position here. Stops below. If we see price run through, right, this fair value gap, then I'll just close immediately. I'm looking to take this buy. Right, retesting. And should see a reaction off of this. Because it's also created a bearish fair value, inverted fair value gap here. Oh, too many lines, too many lines. Let's clear our charts a bit. I like that rejection. Let's see if we can close to this inverted fair value gap. That would kind of just confirm that long position, right? No, I'm not in this trade. This is just simply here. This would have been a better entry, right? Because Nas needed to get to that inverted fair value gap before hunting. Just don't like that it's rejecting here. Right, big move down. Still targeting this high. Right. Okay, nice push. Moving my stops under this low. Okay, I'm gonna close, take partials here. See if we can push any higher. See if this can push higher. This was a low risk trade, so I didn't go full risk in this. But let's see if we can target this area, right? This is where I think if it will sell off, it will be this area, right? This breaker block and this area here. I think we might get stopped here. Right. We're up 2.4% in the day, which isn't horrible, but not ideal. Come on, Price, you got this. You got this, Price. Maybe I must give it some motivation, right? Surely if I put like fire underneath, no one wants to go to the fire, right? So, and if you come down here, you're gonna get punched, and you don't want to get punched, right? See guys, I'm telling you, the fire and the glove worked, right? If I make it even bigger, it's gonna get even more scared. But I actually might close out here. I think I'm gonna close another position, right? Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna trail my stops to this low here, right? And just honestly just let the rest run. I'm up $9 currently, right? So today I'm up 4.5%, which I'm fine with, right? It's been a slow day. So I'm just gonna let that runner run. And if it goes higher, it goes higher. If it goes to trail stop, it's fine. Honestly, I'm not losing anything. So yeah, I'll update you guys. But I have to go out now, so I'm gonna cut the recording here, and then I'll show a screenshot of what happened afterwards, or I'll start recording. Check you guys. As you can see, price came up and then shot all the way down. Right, we took 2 third partials, so ended the day with 5.4% profit, which is not too bad. But I'll check you guys tomorrow.